We are at the gatherer points or divider points of the forage harvester for 60 Plus. However, this is the same for the 475 Plus and 490 Plus models. If the gatherer points are not properly adjusted, as is the case here, the gap between gatherer points and the drum is too big, this can lead to problems. We will see in the field how this affects the stubble pattern. As you can see here, there are half-cut or long stubble standing, and the stubble pattern is uneven. This is due to incorrect adjustment of the divider points. The distance between the gatherer points and the drum should be adjusted using this gap. It should be as narrow as possible. To adjust the divider points, I loosen these 3 screws. Now, push the gatherer points as close as possible and check the distance here. Rotate the drum and make sure it spins freely. Then, tighten the screws again. As you can see here, the stubble pattern is now accurately and evenly cut. Over time, the gatherer points in this area can become worn out and develop holes. To address this, there are now weld-on plates that can be placed on top and welded in place. Now we are at the bottom area of the gatherer points. This location on both sides can also become worn out over time. As a solution, there are now retrofitted plates that can be installed here and on the other side.